Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Morning.
Welcome to the new normal style of learning. So this is our online mathematics class. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine.
Oh, I am fine. Thank you for your asking. I hope all of you always healthy because of the COVID-19 pandemic and don't often to go to outside if it is not so necessary. Is there one of you know who I am?
No, miss.
Okay, I will introduce myself first. I am Miss Devi for your mathematics teacher. So, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray to. Okay, finish. Okay, now I will be going to absent who doesn't join this meeting. Say yes loudly when I call your name. The first, Hanifa.
Yes, miss.
Second, Rido Herlansyah.
Present, Miss.
The third, Nur Ayudi Mauludia Rahma. Nur Ayudi Mauludia Rahma.
I am miss.
Okay. The fourth, Sela Izata Awalia. Sela Izata Awalia.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Sania Ismi Fauzia.
Yes, miss.
And last, Martiana.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now you are free to turn off or on your camera if your connection is bad. But you have to listen carefully to what I say. Okay, let's start.
Okay, miss.
So, in every classroom, there is always a rule that you need to follow. Just like a normal classroom setup, here are all classroom rules that you need to follow. Number 1, be prepared and on time. So be ready at least 15 minutes before class begins, so check if your gadget or connection work very well. Number 2, be dressed and groomed in a manner appropriate for a classroom. Number 3, find a quiet place free from distraction. So set up a location with a minimal distraction. Number 4, listen attentively to the teacher. So you should not look to anyone. Your eyes must focus on the presentation only. Number 5, raise your hand or type in the chat box if you have a question. And last but not least, so be respectful. Okay, is everyone understand all classroom rules?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, today we enter in the topic today. The triangles are congruent through set congruent postulate. Learning objectives are competition that expected from the learning process. Number 1, complete the congruent mark to illustrate that the triangles are congruent through set congruent postulate. Number 2, make the given side of triangle to show that the triangles are congruent through set congruent postulate. Number 3, solve the problem related to the set congruent postulate. Okay, before we proceed our new lesson for today, let's have first a review about our lesson last meeting. What did we discuss last meeting? If there are one of you want to answer?
I miss.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday we discussed about the terms of two triangles are congruent.
Very good. Who can recall what the sum of two triangles congruent are?
Two,
Yes.
two triangles are congruent if all parts of corresponding sides are congruent and all parts of corresponding angles of congruent.
Okay, absolutely. So two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides are equal in length and their corresponding angles are equal in measure. Now look the picture. Now class, look at the PowerPoint. I have here two triangles. One is colored blue and one is colored yellow. Class, do you know on how to determine the congruence of these two triangles? Colored blue and colored yellow basically only on the side, not the angles.
No, Miss.
Okay, I will explain. If we can determine that the three sides of one triangle are congruent to the three sides of another triangles, then the two triangles are congruent. We refer to this as the side postulate or SSS postulate. Okay, from the picture, you all can make sure to solve the problem related to the side congruent postulate. Sure to determine the congruence of these two triangles, colored blue and colored yellow, detailing only on their side, not the angles. Okay, now we start our lesson about the triangles are congruent through side congruent postulate. The first, what is congruent? Definition of congruent. The true triangles are congruent if all pairs of corresponding sides are congruent and all pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. The symbol for congruent is congruent symbol. You can look the PowerPoint. And now, angle B and angle E are corresponding angles. And side AC and side DF are corresponding sides. Now, corresponding side from the picture, side AB and side DE, then AB equals DE. Side BC and side EF, then BC equal EF. Side AC and side DF, then AC equals DF. And now corresponding angles from the picture. Angle A and angle D, then angle A equals angle C. Angle B and angle E, then angle B equals angle E. Angle C and angle F, then angle C equals angle F. If triangle ABC and triangle DEF from the picture is equivalent, then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent, denoted by triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. We may wonder if knowing less information about the triangles will still guarantee that are congruent. A triangle has 6 parts, and for two triangles to be congruent, all three angles have to be congruent, and the sides all have to be congruent also. They all have to make up, and of these 6 parts of to prove two angles are congruent. We don't need all 6 parts, but we need 3 parts. Okay. Now we enter to side congruent postulate. Congruent set congruent postulate if the three sides of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. You can look the picture. There is triangle TSO and triangle UPN. If side OT congruent to side UN and side OS congruent to side PN, and then side AST congruent to side UP, then triangles OST is congruent to triangle PNU. Okay, now for the next, any there of you can say what conclusion about learn today. Okay, who want to answer what a conclusion what we learned today?
I miss.
Okay,
SSS or side congruent postulates if the three sides of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent.
okay, exactly. For your better understanding, there is two triangles is congruent. Now, the next topic we next learn triangles are congruent through ESE congruent postulate. I'm afraid it's time to finish now. Okay, before we close our meeting today, I want all of you turn on your camera. I want to documentation about the meeting today. Okay, turn on your camera. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining this meeting. Stay healthy. Apply 3M with a mask. Wash your hand and mention a safe distance when it's correct. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank you.